when they hear how the old bull suffered.
Tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter.
Father's dead.
I had to.
So now we're grunting. So what?
We will have to avenge our father's death.
We raised a great army. An army bigger than ever before.
Not such a great army after all, my Lord Bishop. Can we not expect to dispose of these heathens quite easily?
I'm not sure you realize the scale of their possible retribution. Ragnar Lothbrok was not only their king, father. He was the most famous man in the world.
They're here.
Who's here?
The great heathen army.
You're about to receive the great heathen army. We've landed on the coast.
I promise you, they're already well prepared for any incursions into our kingdom.
I urge you again to take heed of my warning. The sons of Ragnar are sure to come.
God help us.
I don't think he can.
In the name of our dead father, in the name of Ragnar Lothbrok, the greatest hero of our country, we declare war on the whole world. I shall not enter Odin's hall with fear. The Aesir will welcome me. My death comes without apology. And I welcome the Valkyries to summon me home! There, I shall wait for my sons to join. And when they do, I will bask in their tales of triumph.
Our father abandoned us. We were just kids and he ran off. He betrayed our name. He was not truthful or honest.
You can all say whatever you want, but he was a human.
A man with many dreams and many failings.
Despite all his failings, he's still the greatest man in the world.